Hey friends, let's paint a pumpkin head earring together. So here I have a multitude of purple, green, black, orange. I'm using a purple Thule acrylic paint pen. And while it'd be nice to show you what I'm doing, I didn't realize that I was off screen on the edge, so I apologize for that. But this is the second pair, or I don't want to say pair, this is the second one of the pair that I've done. The first one, well, I had a little bit of a painting spill, so the purple bled all over the place, and I ended up just going with it. So this one, I just sloppily colored the frame. I wanted to fill in the engraved portion. So what I'm about to do next is I'm going to sand down using a sanding sponge. I call it a sponge, maybe it's foam. Sanding foam. And once again, this is to your liking. It looked cool, a little distressed. And then I just use my wax dust cloth. It has wax on it, like a coating, so it removes the dust from wood. You can pick that up at any craft store or on Amazon. So I really like how the wood grain comes through. Geez, the camera was not my friend here for this tutorial. So this is the orange. This is in the dual tip Thule pen. I recall having an issue with this orange pen for most of the time. It was drying out on me. So we're just filling in good old Mr. Pumpkinhead here. And I'm using Fire Glow for Mr. Pumpkinhead's shoulders. And bust. Pretty. Number 24 is the pale plaster. Just creating some highlighting on Mr. Pumpkinhead. You'll notice these 4 tutorials for the Spooky collection, I basically use the same colors. But you don't have to. And the yucca green just for Mr. Pumpkinhead's stem. I feel like this looks like a balloon. Maybe it is a balloon. Now I'm just using the same orange and applying it to the edge. I just love how this looks. And then this is a yellow. It's like a brighter yellow. It's in the dual tip Thule pen kit. Once again, just going around little circles. And you see how that purple comes through? It's so pretty. then finishing it off, I think I'm finishing off with the black. Just going around the edges, finishing up that frame. And that is number 14, and it's curry turmeric is the color. I don't know, this one didn't feel like it wanted any metallic colors on it. I just wanted it to pop out, something contrasting. And there you have it. Now, normally I never film the backs of these wood pieces, but today I am staining it using a furniture stain marker. This is black stain. And I don't know about you, but I like to sign the backs of my earrings. I feel like if you give someone a gift, maybe they'd like to know where it came from. Why not? Do you do that? Make sure to leave a comment below if you do or if you don't. I'm interested. I just started doing this actually. Probably a week now. But of course I went back and did all my older inventory. Because I'm crazy like that. All right, well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. What am I doing here? I'm showing you more. And there you have it. Voila. Thank you. Bye.